Hey guys, welcome back to UltFone channel. If your iPad failed during an update, got stuck on a white screen, or entered an endless reboot loop and is now stuck in recovery mode, this video will show you 3 easy ways to exit recovery mode safely. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPad. This is always the first thing you should try, and in many cases, it's the most effective solution. If your iPad does not have a home button, here's what to do. Press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. Your iPad will restart and automatically exit recovery mode. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. This will force restart your iPad and exit recovery mode as well. Now, if your side button is not working, you'll need to use a computer to exit recovery mode. The traditional way is to connect your iPad to a computer and use iTunes. However, iTunes often asks you to update or restore the device. Both options can erase your data and take a lot of time. But don't worry, there's a better option. Method 2. Exit recovery mode with UltFone. If you have a computer, you can try this one-click exit method. UltFone is a tool that helps you fix all kinds of iOS system issues. And yes, it can help you update to iOS 26 safely, even if your iPad is stuck. Here's what you do. Download and install UltFone on your computer. Connect your iPad using a USB cable. Then launch UltFone. Then open UltFone on your computer. At the bottom left, you'll see the recovery mode bar. Just click exit, and in a few seconds, your iPad will exit recovery mode automatically. If you ever need it, you can also click enter to put your iPad into recovery mode with one click. No buttons, no risk, super simple and safe. I honestly highly recommend this method. And if you don't have a computer, don't worry, I still have one more method for you. Method 3. Repair the iOS system. If the problem still exists, you can try UltFone's iOS system repair feature. The good news is, this method will not cause any data loss. Go back to UltFone iOS system repair. Then click Start Repair. Next, choose Standard Repair. The software will automatically detect your iPad model and iOS version. After that, select the location to download the firmware and click Download. Once the firmware is downloaded, UltFone will start repairing your iPad automatically. What this does is reinstall the iOS system without erasing your data. So if your iPad is stuck on a white screen, green screen, or experiencing other system issues, this method can fix them safely. And that's everything for today's video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.